Okay, so what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is What's for Dinner. I'm Drew. And this is more or less more about cooking hacks, cooking oven hacks. If you were to cook a pizza at your house, most people, yeah, they just want to cook a frozen pizza at their house, blah, blah, blah. But this is to actually get restaurant style or restaurant quality, pizza shop quality pizza at your house. Most pizza shops cook fast, at least in my area, cook you know, hot and fast, 6 minutes, 500 degrees. Most home ovens have a problem keeping up with that. And we'll get into a little bit of that. So if you wanted to go above 500 degrees, home ovens just can't do it. And right when you open the door, you're going to lose all your heat. So if you wanted to cook at 500 degrees, you need to set it for 525 or 535, because right when you open that oven and you put the pizza in there, it is going to lose all its heat. And when you close it, it will take 4 to 5 minutes to be back up to preheated temperature. But if you want to cook higher than that, you could cook in clean mode. Well, some people, let me make sure you can see this here. This is your latch for clean mode. And then to be in clean mode, this has to latch. So just with 2 hands, you could put it into clean mode, and actually, it's not completely shut, but you could shut it. Now, I've heard of people from Pizza Show, different shows, they actually cut off this with a hacksaw, or they're hack it off. You lift this up, and I've thought about doing it, but I'm not going to do it, because you can still put it into clean mode. So here we go. Look, right there, it's in clean mode. The oven lets you put it into clean mode, so why hack it off? But you could if you needed to. We are cooking at 500 degrees. Yeah, I know. Excuse the mess. I've got a little thermometer there. I'm going to set it to 535, and don't have a problem getting up there. My dough still proofing. You will see me build the pizza. So I like a well-done pizza, but I also want extra cheese. Well, the oven's preheated, it's ready to go. Not everybody has the luxury of having a pizza pan. They're inexpensive, you can get them. Go to Restaurant Depot, blah, blah, blah. Basically, a lot of places, when they give you a take and bake, will say like 425, cook it till it's golden brown, 12 to 14 minutes. Yes, however, some things ring true, but I've got Old World pepperoni on here. It's going to take a while to cook. We're going to go right into the oven, and it's set at 535. But remember, right when I open it up, I'm going to lose all that heat. So, and a little pro tip, if you're in the Ohio area and you want a Donato style pizza and you have ingredients and whatnot, and you use Old World style pepperoni, afterwards you put some Parm oregano on the top of it. It'll come out just like a Donato's pizza. So one thing I do, I just did it, but I'm going to show you anyways. The oven just lost all its heat. So I turned it off, and see, it's already, I'm going to put it at 515. We had it at 535. Usually, right when you open it up, it loses all its heat. You go turn it off, turn it back on, preheat, and it takes a few minutes to get back up to temp. But it's already at temp, so we're gonna keep it there because I know right when I open the door, it's gonna lose all its heat. Well done pizza usually is 10 minutes. We'll go 10. Typical pizza, 6 minutes, 500 degrees. So 6 minutes in, I want extra cheese. And I just used some, obviously, some household utensils. I don't have a pizza grabber like most places do. But it's got to go for another couple minutes. I'd probably say 4 minutes in a household oven. 3 minutes in a conveyor style belt oven. Pizza oven. This is a 13-inch pizza. You don't have to have too much cheese, but I want some cheese to hold down those banana peppers. So you're gonna go like 3 ounces of cheese. And again, I am going to turn it off. Got it set for 4 minutes. I know I just lost all that heat, even if I set it for 500. Let's see, timer. We had on 4 minutes. Probably should go for 5, because by the time it preheats again, it'll be up there. So may have to go for 6 minutes. Now it's going to continue to cook while it's on that pan. So obviously, I want to get it off of that pan. But just for Tommy's sake, at Gallery Backyard Barbecue, listen to that sizzle. I'll just melt that. I don't keep it off of there. Yeah, there's no rules to this, obviously. You can cook whatever temp you want. Obviously, it's so hot. My preference of eating, I don't want to eat it right now. I'm not going to cut it right now. A lot of people will say with your steaks and stuff like that, let it rest for so many minutes, which I do. But my preference, I'm going to let this rest for a little while. It's obviously off the pan. Pan's piping hot. It's right here. It's a seasoned pan. Again, you can go to any Restaurant Depot, restaurant supply store, and get one. And you just get them for the size of the pizza that you're going to make. And a lot of time too, you can get dough from a pizza place. They'll sell it to you. You know, maybe not all of them will, but the majority of them will. And they sell it to you pretty damn cheap. Hell, a lot of times they'll sell you the ingredients too. And the sauce I got is just from the store. I actually like this sauce. I was getting some crap sauce from the store. But other than that, yeah. I mean, if you want banana peppers, you know, a lot of times the you can't get banana peppers from the grocery store like you can get them from a pizza place, you know, or sub shop. They'll sell you just the banana peppers, just the pepperoni, just the dough, just the cheese, are all the same. And a lot of the times what you want to get to with you're like, this is all provolone cheese, Wisconsin provolone cheese, and it comes in big sticks of it, and it's all hand cut, hand grated, I should say, hand grated cheese. So this has no additives to keep it from you know, clumping up, where if you buy at the store they have those in there, and I don't know the exact chemical they put in it, but that it is a thing for that to keep the cheese from clumping up, and it is what it is. So we'll be right back, maybe with a creepy face cam, and then also maybe some pictures and stuff, fill you in what I've been up to. So, whoa, Mr. Creepy Face Cam guy. Do what's for dinner. Of course, we got some country gravy, or shit, country fried steak. And it's got some cayenne in there with the eggs. Then we'll put them in the flour. Of course, some canned corn, gravy. Boiling up some potatoes, some mashed potatoes. So these were just some Hasselback potatoes, making it at home. And then this was an order at work. It was 130 orders of wings, 10 pieces to each order. Yeah,